Welcome to this live class. In this free training, you are going to be learning how to run Facebook adverts using just your smartphone. This is something very, very valuable. All right, you are going to be learning how to do this for free, so you want to pay maximum attention. All right, anyways, I'm Onaimo Joy, best known as Joyce Catharus. I'm a digital marketing consultant and a business sales coach. Okay, this is a skill that is profitable, very, very profitable right now on the internet. It has made me millions of naira online, and not just me. Okay, other of my students too, just like Christina.
She generated close to 2 million naira in profit just using this skill that you will be learning. All right. So, and this is within, it's not even up to 30 days. So this is something that is working, and it's not only her. A lot of my students too. All right, like Lori now, she started running Facebook ads, and like this, she's just selling to people that are even complete strangers. All right, making money off total strangers. So it's crazy. This is one skill that is a money maker. All right, personally, by the time I close up to where is it again? Okay, up to like 1.7 million naira in sales, right? So it's crazy. You can literally start flipping money and all that. So this is one crazy skill you're learning tonight, and you want to pay maximum attention, okay? Because I'm gonna like take you through step by step on how to set this whole stuff up. All right. So to run Facebook ads, it's easy. Facebook ads is just running Facebook adverts. All right, on Facebook. That's the meaning for those that may not even understand what I mean by Facebook ads. All right, just like when you want to advertise using the radio station. So that is technically it. One of the things you're going to be needing is you don't even need much tools. Okay, you just need your smartphone and your data connection, of course. All right. So first thing we're going to be doing is going over to Chrome browser. All right, Chrome browser. So that's the first step. Let me minimize and go to Chrome. You are going to be learning how to run Facebook ads with your phone, even when you don't own any website. This is one damn secret. All right, and it works like mad. You can generate a lot of leads. You can generate thousands of leads in a day, and you make money off it. While we're waiting for this to load up, you can get to this interface that I am in right now with this link. Please pay attention to it, because this is more like a secret, because without this link now you can even come and start setting up any ads. Okay, so you're going to be coming to, in this search bar you see up there in your Chrome browser, just type web.facebook.com/ads manager. And let me recap: web.facebook.com/ads manager, and you will be right in this place that I am right now. All right, I hope you guys can hear me audible enough. All right, thank you. If you're following through and you're here, the first step you want to take to setting up your Facebook ads is clicking on this create button you see here. All right, this green button that you see that is written on it that creates, just click on it. All right, click on it, then you wait for it to load up a little bit. All right, now before you move on to setting up your Facebook ads, before you set up your Facebook ads, you have to have one important stuff, which is what your Facebook page. Without your page, you cannot run your adverts. All right, so that is one thing you have to confirm. Facebook is that, like, this is totally a new account, so that you can see every step and understand everything. All right, so Facebook is telling us that confirm that you have a page before you move on to publishing any ads. Do you understand? So what I'm going to be doing right now is clicking on this button. Let me zoom so that you can, clicking on this, go to account overview. All right, to confirm that I have a page before going to run my ad. And if you don't have a page, or you don't even know what a page is, I'm just going to be showing you how to create one right now. All right, it's super easy. Okay,
So let's just load up. I hope you guys are following the step. It's just like step one, going to Chrome. Step two, typing on your search bar web.facebook.com/ ads manager. Then you click on create, and then you click on account overview to confirm that you have a page. All right. So we are here now. I'm zooming so you can see. You see this like written as create page. But I'm going this basic because I know that not everyone has a total knowledge of how to create a page or stuff like this, all right? This is really basic, but just to carry everyone along. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on create page right now. All right, I hope I'm not too fast. So wait for it to load up. All right, so yeah. First thing you want to do is naming your page, okay? You see this page name. Let me just call it something really random. But then let me tell you that you can actually create your Facebook page using your brand name, like using your own name. If I let me just use Joyce, all right? So you can use your name, or you can use any name that is related to your business or anything you want to do with your page. Do you understand? So after you've named it, the next thing is coming down to category. Just click on this box you see here, the search bar something. Click on it and you just type something relating. We're doing what you're advertising, right? So I'm just going to click on, I'm just going to search for advertising category and then choose that. All right, I'm going to choose the first one because it resonates with my aim. You should understand now. So when you're creating your page should resonate with your anything you want to do with your Facebook ads. All right, so after that, under this profile picture, I'm just going to click on add profile here, and then add. You can decide to add your flyer or your product image or your picture or anything. All right, I'm just going to choose anything from here and use my picture. So after that, you see this blue button. Yeah, you click on that, create page. It's really easy. It's really easy. So we just wait for it to load up and we'll go straight to the next step. All right, you see that, Joyce, it has been created. Okay, so what I want to do is confirming it. You see this confirm button down here. Just click on that, then you confirm and you are good to continue creating your ad. All right, so I'm going to click on continue right here. All right, so guys, I hope you're following. I'm going to click on continue right here. So we continue setting up our Facebook ads using our smartphone, even without a website. Do you understand? That is amazing. So now that we have different campaign objective. When you see the word campaign objective, it simply means the aim you're trying to run your ads. If you're running your ads to just start generating leads, there's a specific campaign, which is what we are going to be doing for the purpose of this class right now, right? Let me zoom out so you see them. All right, you see awareness, traffic, engagement, leads. I'm going to be clicking on leads, right? So I'm selecting leads because we want to learn how to generate a lot of leads using Facebook and without even using websites. Like if you're going to be sending them to WhatsApp, it is kind of easy pass. So this is one way you can actually build your WhatsApp list too. For those that want more views on WhatsApp, you can just come here, set this up, and the WhatsApp view is actually increasing too. All right, so people that sell on WhatsApp, this is another trick for you. So after you've selected your campaign, the next thing you would do is clicking on this drop down menu here. You see that? All right, I've clicked on it. So you just name your campaign. All right, you see this name campaign. So I'm going to you just name it anything random. The purpose for your naming is to make you remember the actual campaign that you are running, the actual ads that is running, so that if I'm having multiple ads running, I don't mistake one for the other. All right, so you can just use numbers to name your own. You can just say campaign one, or you can just say ad one or ad two, anything that makes you remember what you're doing. So I'm just going to call this, let me just say ad one. All right, all right. So after that, I'm just going to click on continue down here. I hope you see that. Continue. Okay, great. Hope you guys are following. So from here, we're going to be going down to the technical part, which is fixing our budgets, fixing our placement, and a lot of other things. Is actually fun. So this is it, right? This other campaign name, we've already named it, all right? So we don't have anything to do in this first part again. So I'm just going to click on next below. If you look down below, you'll see a button that is bluish that is having a nest in it. Just click on it down here. I'm trying to zoom so you can see it. All right, you see that nest? That's what you'll be clicking on to move over to the next part. So we'll just wait for it to load up after that. Right. Okay, we are in the second part. The second part is your ad set. Ad set is you fixing your budget, fixing your audience, and then fixing your placements where you want your ads to be shown in. Do you want it to be shown on Instagram? That is you running Instagram ads. So is a kind of sheet code as well. All right, for those that I want to learn how to run Instagram ads. This is like the working method safe to running Instagram ads and see like running ads to different places, and you're converting like hell. All right, so it's amazing like that. So it's still loading up. I'll just have to, it went over to the third part. Let me bring back to the second one. So I'm waiting for it to load up. Let me just be recapping the steps while it is loading. Okay, it's already loaded. So the first thing you want to do under ad set, in your ad set level, which is the second part that we are right now. Let me zoom out. So it's crazy that the words are so tiny that I have to zoom out so you see. All right, you see this other Facebook page. You see the page said, right? Before you run your lead generation campaign, you have to accept Facebook terms and conditions for running that ad. All right, so that is exactly what we're going to be doing right now. All I have to do is just click on view terms. Right, I hope you see that, view terms. All right, I'm clicking on it right now. Then it is loading up. After that, you see it, yeah? I hope you see the terms. What you have to do is just click on I agree to terms and conditions here. See that? I agree to terms and conditions. That is what you're clicking on, please. So after you've clicked on that, you will automatically be eligible to running your lead generation campaign, running your ads for generating leads, even to your WhatsApp, and be making mad money every day. That's the secret. So once you've done that, once you've accepted, you see the message, all right, so that you understand what we're doing here. You're not just doing all this stuff for doing sexy. You've accepted what mental leads, blah blah blah. So that's it. So the next thing after accepting their terms, the next thing is coming down to budget. Let me zoom out so you see budget and schedule. Right, I hope I'm not too fast. So you scroll to the right where you see figures, where you see this number. You can just, it means that if you want to be spending 3,918 naira in a day, you will leave it fixed like this. But if you want to spend above that or below that, you just take this to the exact amount you want to spend in daily on your ads, as is by ads budget. All right, so I'm just going to leave this one like this. Let's assume I want to spend this amount on this ad every day. That is what it means. So you can correct that or take it below or above depending on what you want and how much you want to budget for your ads. So after you fixed your budget, the next step is your audience. When it comes to audience is something that is, in fact, this is where the whole money lies. All right, the whole money, this is where it lies. Okay, so you don't want to be targeting the wrong audience for your ad because you're going to be pouring money into something. So now what you want to be doing is that you are targeting the right audience, and you see targeting is very large. So let me just, for now, to rush it through, let me just say you want to do zero targeting, right? You're not targeting specifically, you just want to do zero targeting. All right, just fix your location. You can decide to leave it in Nigeria, right? Location Nigeria, your age, everything is all set like that. All right, so you just click on save this audience, so that when you're running your ads and you're doing zero targeting, you don't need to really have to start saving and doing all of those stuff again, right? So after you are done with your audience, the audience is where the money is. Please get your audience right, especially your targeting is very, very important. But anyways, once you're done with that, then you come over to placement. Like I said, placement means where you want your ads to be shown in, right? Placement, where you want your ads to be shown in. Is it only on Facebook? Is it outside Facebook? This is where you will determine that. All right, so for you people, sometimes you see people's ad all over the places. You see them on even on your bank app, you see their ads while reading news from your phone or while playing games. This is where you determine it. Okay, so if you want your ad to be shown on Instagram, you want Instagram ad, just leave this place ticked. All right, so I hope you can see that. Then your Facebook and your audience network, it is the audience network that is one thing that would take your campaign to a lot of places. If you want to be seen in different places and you want to be like collecting leads top left, bottom corner, everywhere, you're crazy with the ads, you want to just be pumping the leads, so it's crazy like that. So you can just select your placements, decide where you want your ad to be shown in, and that is it under the ad set. Okay, so we are going to be moving over to the next part after you fixed all that by clicking on next here to go over to the other part, which is the last part. And before you know it, you are done with setting up your ad, and it's as easy and very fast like this, using just your phone. So you're learning something that is going to be like profitable for life if you apply more working strategy, like a framework. So yep, under the ad level, this is the last part. All right, so what you need to do here, let me zoom out so you see everything. Just come down to where you see add creative. Okay, add creative. This is where you choose either if you're running your ad with video or flyer. Okay, so let me just click on delete so that you see where to choose your media. All right, you see this add media, just tap on this. All right, and then if you want to run this ad, let's assume you want to run your ad using image, just click on add image and you select the image you want to use, and you are done with selecting your media. And then your other creative is your copy. Okay, copy, let me just use the word content because not everybody understands what it is when I say copy. They might even think that copy like copying something. So like content, your write-up that you've prepared to use for your ad, this is where you put it under primary test. Do you see that? Primary test. All right, so once you've inputted your write-up, the next thing you want to do is facing your headline. These people you want to be advertising to on Facebook, they should see something that will capture their mind and their attention. So that is what you are going to be writing here under the headline. Do you understand that? Please, it should be so captivating that, whoa, I want to click on your call to action button ASAP. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing is your call to action button. All right, when you're facing your call to action button, it means the action you want people to take from that ad. All right, so is it going to be like, okay, now the intention is what? To generate leads, right? And let's assume you're generating this lead to WhatsApp, so you're like pulling crazy traffic to your WhatsApp, right? I recommend you using sign up or lemon. All right, so I can just easily say sign up, right? So leave it under sign up that it is, and then move on to another important part. Creating your instant form is very, very easy. Okay, just click on. The thing is, without you creating this instant form, there's no way you can run this ad. Let me just show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. So I'm just going to click on create form. First thing, just name your form. So once you've named your form, just come to intro. Intro means introduction. You can even decide to skip this place by clicking on the delete icon here. So you remove your waiting, because not everybody have the time to go through a long form, right? I personally, I don't like going through a long form. So something quick and easy. So the next thing after that is clicking on questions, right? And you fix the data you want to collect from people. Is it just email and full name, or you want anyone? It works. So after you've done that, come to privacy policy, right? See that? Then right over here under privacy policy, please, you add a link that is leading them to a privacy policy page, right? Just like you saying that, oh, the information I'm going to be collecting from these people is safe. I will not use it to spam them. I will not use it. That is what it means. So once you've done that, under text, write something random. They can say our policy or something. So then this is the last part of your form creation. You click on message for leads. All right. That is the cocoa set, because that's where your call to action button will not be. So you write something catchy, which is your headline. Remember, anything headline should be so captivating that everybody wants to take action. All right, so you do that. You can leave it on time to your set, or anything that you feel comfortable with your ads creative that resonates with your ads fans. All right, so in that description, you just talk more about what you want them to do. Then since you're sending them to WhatsApp, for instance, it means in this place of link, where you see link, you just add your WhatsApp link, please. You add your WhatsApp link. So from there, after adding your WhatsApp link, you see this call to action test. You can just say get access now, or click on the button below, or anything, right? So that once they click on it, boom, they're in your WhatsApp, just like that. So once you are done creating your instant form, you can actually move over to the settings part, all right, or just to cross-check everything and to make sure your form is open. So once you've done all that, just come to the right-hand side. This thing that you see here is just for you to preview that you're not doing nonsense. So in case you made any mistake that you're unaware of, you can easily spot it from here, then go back to your form creation and correct it ASAP. All right, so you just tap on this something arrow, just go back and be confirming whatever thing you've created. Okay, perfect. So everything is intact. All right, so once you've done that, you just click on this publish button right here. Okay, and from there you've created your instant forms. I'm not going to publish because I did not actually impute any link or add anything. All right, so after you've created your form, guess what? The next thing is like publishing your ad. Like, you are totally done. Okay, so it's as easy as this. Running Facebook ads using just your smartphone with ads owning a website is as easy as this, and generating thousands of leads. Like, this is one of the campaigns that would, if you know how to do it right, following a simple technique or format that works. You can use the framework, and you only just to copy and paste, and you'll be amazed that you're making much from something that is as easy as this using just your phone. So you can conveniently be making money anywhere you are. All right. So once you're done setting up your ad like this, you just click on this publish. I'm zooming so you see. Just click on this publish button here, and your ads will be on, waiting for Facebook approval, and before you know it's active and it's converting like hell for you. So guys, that is how to run Facebook ads choosing your phone and generating thousands of leads for yourself or your clients, because this is a skill that even though you don't like selling, and you still want to be making money online, like you don't like stress on posting on your WhatsApp status or posting things randomly just to make sure you don't like all those things. This other step, which is you landing deals from clients, like you can land like 6 to 7 figures deals in a month, and you will be making money for yourself even without doing any selling. This skill is crazy. All right. Just like let me see. So like this deal now, I think yeah. Okay, yeah, this is it. I'm currently running Jacto Precious. I'm currently the one in charge of his ads and all that. I'm managing his ads and I'm running ads for him. This is more like a deal. All right. Closing deals like this, it's crazy. You can be making 6 to 7 figures. Like this is what I don't want to blow your mind, but this deal is what any money you can think of, because like business owners, they need people that can be helping them to generate leads. Now imagine that you have that skill. You're helping people to bring customers to them, just by doing this thing I showed you right now with your phone. I think I have a business owner that is even doing both together. Like she's running ads. She's actually my student, so a lot of persons like that. She's running the ads for her business, and she's also running ads for, let me see if I can see her over here. She's my student and she's running ads for her business. And guess what? The leads she's getting to day, like she's converting them, and is, see her, just a few more dollars to get to $200. Like the lead she's getting is instantly turning into money for her. This is how great this skill is. All right, I'm just showing you because there's a lot of money online. There's a lot of money online. You can make a lot of crazy money online. You can generate leads anywhere and be making your money anywhere you are. That is how crazy it is. So I will be leaving you guys for questions in case you have anyone. Okay, this is more like a video testimonial from Jack. So all I opened once and I saw almost 500 messages, like it show. Even when you have to roll it down, you can't get it leads show. You see that? So there's a lot of things you can do like that, like generating over 500 leads for him or in within minutes, like boom, just like that. So it's crazy with the kind of things you can do with Facebook ads. All right, so if you have any question right now, you can be asking. All right.
When it comes to the aspect of daily budgets, you pay that you show 3,000 something. Are you going to make the payment? I don't understand that aspect. Like you just keep it. You didn't explain it. Sorry. I don't understand that aspect.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's for your budget. When I say budget, that's the amount you'll be spending specifically on that ad. All right. For instance, you just want to spending 1,000 naira in a day. That place that you saw 3,000 something, just remove it, and then you now add 1,000 naira. You just write 1,000 naira on it, and it means you will be spending 1,000 naira in that ad. All right, for the budget for that ad. I don't know if this makes sense to you.
All right.
The part that they wrote down 3,000, and you say that you can change it to like 2,000. That does that mean that when you reduce the price there, that then the numbers of the people that your ad get to reduce?
Yeah, your ad is affected by the budget you use for it. All right, so if you're using 1,000 naira for it now,
you watch your audience size, the size of your audience, and it will be kind of calculated for you and all that. So it's like that, Sha.
Please, I want to ask that instant form, is it the same as is it like, is it acting as a landing page?
Yeah, let's say that acting like your landing page, yeah, since you're not using a website, you'll just create your form, input your WhatsApp link if it is WhatsApp you're taking your leads to, and like that, just like that. I think I see questions from the comment section. Somebody is asking how to make payment for your ad. All right. And somebody is also saying, I think this is Wilson. Wilson is asking that they've been declining his card. That is there any mode of payment? Okay, at this point, if you are going to be learning how to payment for your ads the right way and a lot of other tertiary things about fixing your ads, I have a course that totally cover everything from A to Z, from the scratch. So you having a card issue, declining of card, or you cannot even make payments for your ad and all that. I teach the exact method, the exact step you can do to solving this issue, and your ads will be running, all right? For Winston and a few other persons that are asking that question. So my course actually covered a lot of things, a lot of other things, like setting up your Facebook ads, using your website and fixing your pixels, making a lot of things. And personally, my strategy that works for me, okay, my strategy that works for me that has made a lot of figures for me and my students, I also included in my course. So this is you, like, if you're going to be getting it, that means you're going to be like getting access to my proven strategy. All right, it's not enough to learn it just like this. You have to have a proven strategy that is going to help you through, and that would actually give you access to my community and my support and all of that. So there's no you doing it alone for those asking more complex questions. So that is that. You really have to have this complete guide that would actually give you the exact formats to use for these things, and all this stuff you are asking, you'll be able to do them like that, like without having any issue. That's one thing having a guidance or a mentor or something, a support system does for you. So for somebody that is asking, but I saw a question here. Someone is asking if I have a course. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I have a course, a Facebook ads for smartphone course. Typically for smartphone, Facebook ads for smartphone course. All right, and it covers everything you will need, including my strategy that are working and all that. Because it's currently 30,000 naira, you'll be getting access to my community personally, where I guide every of my students.
How much?
And you get instant guidance from it. All right, there's no you doing this alone. I said 30,000 naira for the course. Okay, and you'll be getting access to a lot of crazy things. How to rectify your disabled ad account, how to verify, how to do a lot of things, even using your smartphone. So it's crazy like that. And you'll be getting total access to me and my guide.
Yes, ma, I have a question, please.
Okay.
So, when you were creating, when you started, first created a page. What if I have a page already?
No need creating a page again, all right? Just keep that part. There's no need for you to create a page. You already have a page that is active. Just work with your page.
Thank you very much.
For this person that is asking how to get privacy policy something for your instant form, I covered that area in my course too, all right? So you're getting access to a lot of things inside the course and outside learning this thing the right way and all that. So for your privacy policy, you still get that in the course as well.
Can I ask a question, please?
Okay, you can ask.
Okay, you were teaching us about the lead campaign. So I want to know, in this course, are you going to be covering the traffic, sales, app promotion, and other campaigns as well?
Yeah, everything I said during this live stream is what you're going to be learning inside the course. Like, you're going to be learning the detailed part of it in the course. This is like me rushing through, but inside the course, you're learning everything from A to Z.
including the different type of Facebook ads campaign objective. You're going to learn everything, right? There are about 8 campaign objectives currently. You're going to be learning everything about setting them up, all right? And you are going to also be exposed to the first secret you need to know to run a successful and profitable Facebook ads. Okay, in the course you will learn how to craft copies that will attract high traffic and sales to your business or client sef. Okay, and you will learn how to create a Facebook business page on mobile using a simple format. And because you're going to be learning a lot of things, including how to create a business manager account with your smartphone the right way. You see that? So there are a lot of things to learn, a lot and a whole lot of things you are going to be learning inside the course. You will even learn how to quickly create a dollar and naira ad account for your ads the easy way. All right, and you will be learning how to add payment to your ad accounts using the right technique so you can run your ads smoothly. Okay, you will learn how to run profitable ads with a website using your phone by applying my secret formula in the course. So there are a whole lot of things you are learning inside the course. All right, and you will learn how to set up conversion ads on your phone too. Conversion ads, that is, you will learn how to add and verify your domain properly. Okay, you will learn how to install Pixel, connecting your landing page, tracking your events, setting up conversion API, and aggregated event measurements. All right, all with your phone. You will also learn the simple way to run Instagram ads without owning an Instagram account in the course. All right, another thing you're going to be learning, how to edit your ads without losing your engagement. All right, how to duplicate your ad, how to delete and post your ad, a whole lot of things. Okay, you'll be learning my hot Facebook targeting hacks that keep printing money for me in my business. You will learn how to do that as well, and you will learn how to retarget people who have already bought from you before, those who have visited your page, so that you can resell to them using your phone. There are a whole lot of things you are learning inside the course. You will even learn how to create your customer lookalike audience from your website events, a lot of things, including access to my mentorship, access to my support too. All right, and you will learn how to do zero targeting for your ads. Okay, so you will even learn how to grow your WhatsApp views and contacts. All right, and if you're having a disabled ad account or restricted ad account, you will learn my strategies and hacks on how to get that rectified. Okay, so there are a whole lot of things you are learning in the course. All right, and there are bonuses you are getting access to too. You will learn how to automate responses in your inbox using the quick autoresponder face formula. All right, and you will learn how to create a professional email account for your business. You will also learn how to make a business or Facebook ads and learn the simple strategy to keep getting clients for Facebook adverts, making an extra income for yourself. A whole lot of things. A whole lot of things. You will even get access to my sales closing live class. So there are a lot of things that you are getting access to in my course. This is you technically getting access to my strategies, techniques, everything, my guide, support, everything. All right, so if you're wondering how to get the course already, like I said, the course is 30,000 naira, right? But for tonight I'll be doing a discount. Okay, for the first 10 persons, instead of getting the course at 30,000 naira, you will get it for 25,000 naira. All right, just for the first 10 persons. So to be among the lucky 10 persons to take advantage of the 25k discounts right now, just make payments to the account details you are seeing on the screen and then send proof of payment to me on WhatsApp. And if you got invited to this live class by someone else, you can send your proof of payment to that person. All right, you can send your payment receipt to the person, but only make your payment to the account details you can see on your screen. Remember, just for 10%. So once we get up to 10, the price go back to 30,000 naira. All right. So you want to take advantage of these discounts right now, right now.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
I see a question right here. Favor is asking for someone who uses the app Mental Manager. Does the person need to create? Please don't even run ads at all using the app, please, because you'll be putting money into basket. Like you'll be you'll be wasting your money. All right, just follow through the right step, and that is one of the things you'll be learning inside the course. Okay, you'll be following the exact process that will give you crazy results from your ads. Okay, please, I don't recommend anybody running ads with the app. No, that's a no. You'll be spending a lot of money, please.
Can someone run to Facebook page on one Facebook account?
Yes, you can have multiple pages in your account, a lot of pages, depending on how many pages you want. Oh, I think that should be the end of the question, right? You guys want to suffocate me? I can't breathe. It's been an amazing ride, right?
Even with not stress her again, she has really tried to optimize. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for that wonderful presentation. What you actually gave to them for free should be even charged for 20,000 naira, because even like anybody can just fix this thing and start running it.
Yeah.
Right? And just like he mentioned, all right, our cost is 30K. But she was really investing from me before she dropped her link to the course, because I told her that 30K is too small. It should be 50K, all right? Because these are things, personally, when I got a Facebook app course, I paid 100K for a Facebook app course. But now she's teaching you how to actually run Facebook ads with your smartphone, even without having a website, right? And it's just 30K. So if you, I'm seeing a lot of questions in the comment section and all of that, all right? Most of all these questions have been covered in her course. Yeah, I did have a course personally, right? So it's something I think everybody here should actually get. It's a skill that once you learn it, you learn it for life. You can be creating money out of thin air, all right?
You've heard it from Frank Egon right now. He's someone who has made crazy figures from Facebook ads too. Alright, so this is one highly profitable skill that will make you cool money online. Printing money for yourself at your own comfort. All you have to do is just pick up your phone, press a few buttons. Same thing you just watched me do in this live class, alright? And then boom, you're making money on autopilot. This is the same thing other big guys you see making money on the internet do. You may not know because some of them may not talk about how they run ads. Alright, so this is something very valuable. Don't forget, the 25K discount is just for the first 10 persons to make payments right now. After which the next set of person pays 30K, which is the actual price. Alright, and there are over 80 people in this live class currently. So you want to be fast to be among the first 10 to pay 25K. Alright, pay to the account details you are seeing on your screen and send me proof of payment on WhatsApp. Send me your payment receipt on WhatsApp immediately so you don't miss out on this. Alright, my WhatsApp number is on the screen too. 08140800509. Alright. You can also send me a message on WhatsApp to send the account details for you if you did not get it clearly from your screen. And you want to be very fast about that because people are already rushing the discounts right now. Okay? If you got invited by someone else to this live class, what I want you to do for me, send your payment receipt to that person, all right? Send your proof of payment to the person and I'll take it from there, okay? But only pay to the account details you're seeing on your screen. Only pay to the account details you're seeing on your screen. No, I'm sending it again. If you pay to a different account, you are on your own. No, you will be on your own. So pay only to the account details you can see on your screen. 30 93 8 90 89 9 First Bank. That is the only account you pay to. All right, so that brings us to the end of this live class. If you have more questions, you can send me a message on WhatsApp too. I'll be there to answer. Thanks a lot for attending this training. I know you got value and I hope to share your testimony next, just like the results you saw from my students who are making money from the internet with this skill. All right. I also want to see you pack your own share of the money online. So I'll be here to guide. All right. See you on the inside.